question from Deborah Nielsen about the windows. In 2019, we introduced new windows that open a little bit differently than our older models. And so most of our kids have it. Our summer cabin, our no loft model, our 2019 loft model, they all have these special windows. And so I want to show the two models of how they work. So one is like your standard, just swing it out, you know, like a standard hinge window. There's a hinge here and a hinge down here. That swings open like a normal window. That's pretty standard, everybody gets that. But there's a secret extra feature on these windows. So you go down here, you'll need to leave this part open, the normal standard hinge. Leave that open, which is open right now. And there's this secret hinge down here. Okay, so you see this here? This, when you shut it, means it won't swing anymore. So it won't swing anymore. But what it will do, so I've shut this hinge here. What it will do is if you go to this top hinge here, this is very interesting. You press this button down. It's gonna be hard to do with two hands. If you press this button down, the whole thing is gonna hinge out. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. Yeah, I can't manage to do it. So these are way easier with two hands, but I'm holding a camera. So it hinges out like this, and then you can pull it from the top away from the opening, and there you go. You've got, see how that's hinged there? It's great for letting a breeze in, and if you don't want to fully open the window or swing it out, you can open it, still get lots of airflow without needing to swing the whole thing out. Okay, so that's the second hinge way of using these hinges. Then to put it back, you just kind of put it down here and press this little button here to get it going again. Now it's back in nice and solid. And that's the Bunkie Life new windows. Hope you enjoyed.